it to the last part, which is the last fractions, triiodomethane fractions. Take away the dash here. You just write it as triiodomethane. Triiodomethane means when your methane, which is 1C, is bonded to 3H. This is triiodomethane. So triiodomethane reactions means it's a test. Okay, it's a test reactions where the test involves two reagents, where we have aqueous NaOH and also the aqueous aldate, two reagents. The condition is warm, and if you have a positive test, the observation is yellow precipitate. Okay, yellow precipitate of the CHI3, which is known as triiodomethane. Now for this, it is specifically test for the presence of a specific groups of alcohol, which is the CH3CH2OH. Okay, so that means any alcohol that has this or this is the same thing, then it will give a positive result, which is yellow PPT to the reagent. Okay, how does it work? Okay, let me explain in detail. Now, let's say you have this. Okay, it can be bonded to any R group. Okay, so upon reacting with NaOH aqueous and iodine, okay, now students always cannot understand this thing because the reaction is just too complicated. So I'm going to simplify it, and I'm going to use the box, okay, box and circle to explain to you. Okay, let's see. If you have this box in your compound, which is whatever things that's in the box, okay, this box is going to change to COO minus Na plus. So I draw this as a box. So that means the box, this box will turn to this box for your product. And the circle, which is anything that's bonded to the box, the circle will be bonded over here. Okay, box to box, circle to circle. All right, if you don't understand, never mind, you take down first. I'll explain in detail by using example. Okay, so now let's see an example. If we have a CH3OH, okay, let's say when it reacts with NaOH and also iodine. Now I want you to see, in CH3OH, do you have any fragments like this? CH3COH. You must have at least 2 carbon, right? That means this alcohol has failed to fulfill the minimum requirement to test for the test. So therefore, there's no reaction for this. Your organic compound must have this thing. Okay, now let's look at another one. Let's say I have CH3, CH2OH. Does it fulfill the requirement? Okay, now your CH3, CH2OH looks like that. Okay, so can't you see that the box that I draw, okay, is same as this box? So that means in this compound, there is this box. So I've mentioned that as long as you have this box, the product that you will get, for the organic product that you'll get, will be COO minus Na plus first, right? Okay, then to decide what's the thing that's connected to this side, you will need to see the circle here. So now that your circle is a H, that means this side will be just a H. The circle is here, the box will be here. I hope you understand. Okay, and then the side product is always fixed one. Okay, the side product will be your HI and also your triiodomethane, which is the yellow PBT. Okay, then to balance this is 2 carbon, so therefore you have 1, 2 carbon. What about the H? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, you should put 5 here. Okay, and for iodine, it will be 5 iodine plus 3 iodine, you get 8 iodine. So therefore, it will be 4 mole here. Now let me tell you the tricks. 4 and 5 mole is always fixed for the case of alcohol. That means that as long as you get to write an equation, it is always 4 mole of iodine and 5 mole of HI. Okay, if you don't believe, let's try. Now let's say right now you have this CHOH, CH2CH3 plus NaOH plus iodine. Okay, and this one. I want you to complete the equations. Okay, try to write it out. Okay, I will box out the CH3CH2OH side first. And then I'll circle the R group that attached to it. So I start writing my R group, which is CH3CH2, and then connect it to the box. You see that? Box to box, circle to circle. Of course, you don't write me CH2CH3. It should be the CH2 that attached to the carbon, not CH3 that attached to the carbon. Okay, so it must be like that. So you're going to have 5 mole of this, 5HI and CHI3. Okay, and for this, how do you convert it to skeletal? COO minus Na plus. Okay, this is where we draw the box, and also the circle should look like this. Okay, and the rest are the same. That means this part is going to be the same.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses,
please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.